Welcome back to English Podcast Academy. I'm really glad you're here again. Maybe you listened to part 1, or maybe you're just starting today. Either way, this moment is for you. It's quiet, it's calm, and it's full of simple English. We'll continue learning kitchen words, slowly, clearly, and with real-life examples you can understand and use. Today, we have 10 more words. Let's get started. Fridge. A fridge is cold. We keep food in it so it doesn't go bad. Things like milk, fruit, vegetables, and leftovers stay fresh in the fridge. Example: the milk is in the fridge. Yes, that's easy, right? Now let's try the thing that makes food hot. Microwave. A microwave is a small machine. It heats food quickly. You can warm soup, rice, or pizza in the microwave. It's fast and simple. Example: I heat my lunch in the microwave. All right, now we move to something we use after we eat. Sink. A sink is where we wash things. It has water and a tap. We wash dishes, hands, and sometimes food in the sink. Example: he washes the plates in the sink. Good. From cleaning to storing, let's go to where things are kept. Cupboard. A cupboard is like a small closet in the kitchen. It has shelves. We keep cups, plates, bowls, and food in the cupboard. Example: the glasses are in the cupboard. Now something soft and simple. Napkin. A napkin is a small piece of cloth or paper. We use it to wipe our mouth or hands while eating. Example: she puts a napkin on her lap at dinner. Great. I think you're following very well. Let's look at a tool we already said once, but it's so useful, we'll hear it again. Knife. A knife cuts food. You can cut vegetables, meat, or bread with a knife. Always be careful. Example: he cuts cheese with a knife. Okay, and where do we cut food? Let's see. Cutting board. A cutting board is flat and strong. We put food on it when we cut. It protects the counter. Example: she cuts onions on the cutting board. Perfect. Now let's warm some water. Tea kettle. A tea kettle is used to boil water. We make tea with it. It makes a little sound when it's ready. Example: he boils water in the tea kettle. Nice and cozy, right? Now something a little stronger. Coffee maker. A coffee maker is a machine that makes coffee. It smells strong and warm. Many people use it every morning. Example: she makes coffee in the coffee maker. And finally, something for bread lovers. Toaster. A toaster makes bread hot and crispy. We use it to toast bread for breakfast. Example: he puts the bread in the toaster. Well done. 10 more words, spoken slowly with clear examples. I hope you could see these things in your mind, maybe even in your own kitchen. In the next video, we will learn 10 more useful words. So if you're ready to keep learning, I'll be here. If you liked this video, press the like button. Leave a comment. Maybe tell me what word you use most. And don't forget to subscribe. That way, we can continue learning together. See you in the next video. Until then, let English stay with you like a quiet voice in your home.